Okay, so one of the reasons why people love having a solid wood floor in their property when they've got pets is that it's easy to maintain. The floor can be swept down, it can be vacuumed, it can easily be maintained and cleaned. But one of the downsides, especially if the pet in this case the dog's got an age when it starts to sort of have accidents, it can cause some major problems with a solid wood floor. So in this case the dog had accidents, and as you can see there's some really sort of black staining caused by iron tannin reaction with the wood, and this is permanent. There was also an odour which was trapped as well, and a little bit of swelling. So this caused a problem for the new tenant who wanted it to be just nice and just right and comfortable to live in. So what we did is we basically took off all of the old coating and sanded it back to the bare wood, and it came up really nice. It was actually a solid floor, and it obviously sanded off very light. Once it was all smoothed off, it looked great. So we suggested that the customer, just to take their eye off these black areas, we suggested staining the floor a darker colour. And the customer agreed with that. We agreed on the colour, which was a sort of a medium to dark oak, and we went with it. And you'll see in the next slide the colour that we went with, and it actually came up really well. The floor looked warmer, the grain started to come through, and as you can see, it looked stunning. And it did take your eye off these black areas where the customer was concerned. Obviously sanding it took a very sort of thin slither off the floor as well, so it smelt better, it looked fresh. We finished it off with a semi-gloss, which